Mr. Speaker, I have a similar question, but this time to the counsel for the Assembly, Kegan. Mr. Speaker, I want the lawyer to address me and address this House on the question of the membership of any assembly. At what point does that membership determine? Does it determine immediately after elections and after political parties have had an opportunity to discharge the obligation to nominate members? Or is it a moving target? Is it one number today, a different number tomorrow, a different number next week? At what point does this number determine? I thank you, Chair.
The Counsel for the County Assembly.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. It is the direct answer to the question from us is that it is a moving target. The reality of it is that at every given time, the representation has to continue. Various activities have to be done. There is need to approve budgets, there is need to determine issues, and therefore the fact that there is a continuous need to attend to issues on behalf of the public makes it a moving target. And at every given time, the people who are available to transact the business on behalf of the people who elected them is the determining factor of the total bottom line number of people who are to vote. That's my answer to the question.
Senator Boni.
Mr. Speaker, I'm convinced by what the counsel for the Governor Mutuma has said, that voting by proxy, you can't find it anywhere in the standing orders of the County Assembly or anywhere else. And yet, this is going to guide us to decide on your PO, Mr. Mutuma. Don't you think reading standing order in its entirety, we should give the County Assembly an opportunity to demonstrate to the House that the Speaker proceeded under standing order number 1 of the County Assembly, allowed by proxy, and maybe he did so because of some usage, some tradition that preceded that decision. Don't you think we should allow this to proceed so that we hear evidence to make a decision instead of just condemning them? No, you are wrong.
Counsel for Governor, you have a few seconds to respond.
Thank you, Senator Boni Khalwale. An argument based on points of law or the interpretation of law cannot be a factual issue. It is based on legal arguments. They had that opportunity to submit, and that's why this Senate directed us to prepare written submissions and bring them before this House. That is why they've been given 20 minutes to demonstrate to you through legal arguments how the Speaker can rely on standing order number 1. There is no witness who is coming to testify on a question of law. It is purely an interpretation issue which does not require evidential interrogation. The purpose of going through a trial, honorable senators, is for you to look at the facts, to cross-examine the witnesses on their version of factual issues, and then render a decision of fact. Questions of law.
Counsel for Governor, time.
Thank you.
Up.
Thank
now,
you. Thank
Honorable
you,
Senators, I will be giving my ruling at 2:30 on this particular matter. All right. Now, Honorable Senators, it is now 1:15 p.m., time to adjourn the Senate. The Senate, therefore, stands adjourned until later today, Wednesday, 3rd of December, 2025, at 2:30 p.m.